In this lesson, I will explain to you the difference between subset and the proper subset. So first I will write down the definition of the subset for you. Definition, right? Subset. Suppose we have, first I will explain to you, then I will write down the definition. Suppose we have set A and it has 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are the elements of A. We have another set B and we have suppose 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we can say that A is the subset and this represents the subset of B, because each and every element is same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A has same elements, B has same elements. So the set A is the subset of B. I will write down here. The set A is a subset of B right? If and only if and only if every element of every element of A is also an element of B. And how we will write down then? A subset. Write this line, subsets of B. So simple. The set A is a subset of B, right? A subset of B if and only if every element of A is also an element of B. So see, A has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now suppose B, we have another set B, same thing, and we have 1, 2 and 3. Right? B 1, 2 and 3. Now we do not have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have B set, but if we have 1, 2, 3, so we will say that B is the subset of A. In this case, we will say A is the superset. This is the superset because we have to compare A and B, and A has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So B is the subset of superset A. Right? And see, again, this is the important thing, that here we do not have exactly same elements, so we will say B is the proper set of A. We do not put a line here. This is the difference. Subset, each element of one set should be exactly the same of the other set, just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But suppose if we have less elements compared to the superset, right? One set has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, other set has 1, 2, 3. So we will say that B is the proper set of A, proper subset of A, right? And this is the superset. So this is the difference between the subset. Subset means if you have two sets, each and every element should be same. If all elements are not same, so it is called the proper subset. One more example, suppose we have A, set A, instead of 1, 2, 3, I will write down A, B, C, D and E. If B has the same element A, B, C, D and E, so these are equal, right? So we will say that B or A is the subset of B, or B is the subset of A. But if suppose A has only B, C, D, B has, suppose we do not have this, instead of this we have B, C and D. So in this case, C, B and A are not equal, not exactly same. This is called the superset, right? So we will say that B is the proper subset. What is the difference between proper subset? This is the subset with the line. Without the line is the proper subset. Right? So in this small lesson, you have learned the difference between subset and proper subset. And thanks for watching.